I started playing tennis when I was in my 20s at Woodside Racket Club. I really wanted to get involved in a sport that wasn't a team. I thought if I had a tennis racket, I could pick up a game wherever I was, and I didn't need a team. And I wanted to meet people and be physically active and all that. This place opened up and people started talking about it, and Jen Zing and I used to work out together, and she said, you ought to come over and try it. And so I did. And Curlin was gentle with me and showed me the basics of tennis and introduced me to other people who were also on the very same path, so I immediately got more comfortable. I was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2013. I had a bilateral mastectomy on Valentine's Day, 2014. I started my chemotherapy in March and I lost all my hair by April. I remember at a tennis lesson with Curlin, I was like, oh, by the way, I have cancer. And he didn't miss a beat. He was like, that's no problem. I was in a terrible car accident one time and somebody told me that I was never going to be able to play tennis or walk again, and look at me. So no problem, we got this. And the girls on my tennis team were amazing. When I was going through my treatments, people I didn't even know would leave things on my front doorstep every Thursday as a little encouragement. I never felt like when I was here, oh, there's the bald girl with cancer. I always felt supported and welcomed and included. There was the ladies member guest that was on the day of my last chemotherapy treatment, and they invited me to do all the design work and put the theme together and all that. So I love the mental challenge as well as the physical challenge of tennis, and an hour and a half goes by like that. And I definitely feel like I work up a sweat and mentally and physically challenge myself. But also, it's the socialization of it too. There's a lot of friendships that I've made over the years here. People, like I said, that I didn't ever know before, that we're good friends now. We go on trips together and hang out. She's about as solid as it gets. When she goes after something, it's 100%. And I think that's part of why she came out of the cancer so well and why she progressed so fast in the tennis world is once she's committed, she's committed. There is no turning back. I feel when people have either mental or physical challenges, if they have something like tennis that they can stay focused on, it helps take some of the heat off of just the day-to-day. Get more of the vision of where they're trying to go with it versus the day-to-day challenges they may be having. Curlin's so great at keeping me in shape and keeping me on point that I feel like, he talks about you're on a train and you gotta just keep developing. I think I'll always play tennis as long as I possibly can.